Hi everyone, today I'm here to talk about the Botoverse, which is live now in Boto.io, and to tell a little bit more about why we're building this. Since the beginning of Boto, the idea was to build this platform where everyone could build automation using their own logic. I had a lot of people asking me how to build different types of bots, and everyone wants to put their own logic in it. So the idea is to empower everyone to build bots using their own logic, instead of what we see today, which is most of the automation, most of the bots are coming from developers, from big corporations who control the automation that we use today, and we are mostly consuming it. So this is our way to give back the power to people, everyone, to be able to build automation using their own logic and sharing that and building this the largest bot repository in the world. So so come along, share your bots. I can't wait to see what you're going to create, being the NFTs, DAOs, DeFi, whatever that your thing is. I want to see your bots, so share that. And the more you share with your community, the better, because we are starting these now. So the bot creators, the more popular bot creators, will get a piece of our revenue later on. So we will do a revenue share model where top creators get remunerated. So start early, start building that following, and building popular bots, things that people are interested in. And yeah, let's see where we get with Boto. So can't wait. So let me jump straight in and show you a little bit more how this looks like. And thank you for watching. So this is the Botoverse, which is pretty much similar to what you have today as in the recipes page. The main difference here is that you have some new ways of searching for things. You can look for specific blocks that we have, as you are familiar with now probably. You can look for tags as well. So let's say you want to look into every recipe, every DAO recipe, or you want to look at every recipe that has Discord in it. You can do so. So this is super cool. It makes it easier for you to navigate. You're going to see here who created the recipe as well, how many times this recipe has been used. And now the most exciting part about the Botoverse is that you'll be able to share your own recipes. So in addition to seeing the recipes that we have today, if we go now to our new app, what you're going to see is the app has a few changes, especially on the menu on the left. Now, when you click on create, you'll be able to choose between creating a Boto or a new recipe. And if you click in recipe, you're going to see this little beaten cookie here in the middle. And that means you are working on a recipe, not on a bot for yourself. There are all the ways of building your own recipe. You can just make one by creating from your own bot that you have already created, which makes the process super simple, super easy. And then don't forget to share with your friends the recipes you create. Go to Botoverse, check out your recipe, see how many people have used it already, how many copies of it. So I hope you enjoy the new features, the new look of the website and the app, and I can't wait to see what you're going to create using your own logic.